Hi Gabby fam! Gabby is here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, magre-review tayo today ay ang gagawin ko ng video ay Keratin Plus Gold Intense Brazilian Hair Treatment. Nagamit ko na to tuwing naliligo sa hapon or gabi, tuwing hair wash day. Baka naman talaga, no? Pwede finger comb, saka pwede naman saklay. Ayan. Yun na, no? Pwede naman gusto ko saklay. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Be part of my Gabby Izon family. Without further ado guys, let's get started on my hair. Here's what the packaging looks like na Keratin Plus Gold Intense Brazilian Hair Treatment. One wash Brazilian blowout infused with sunflower oil and rosemary oil. Smoothens and softens dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. Daily 1-minute treatment. Ideal for rebonded, color-treated hair or frizzy hair. Sa likod naman napabasa, ito yung before and after. Keratin Plus Gold Intense Brazilian Hair Treatment is infused with sunflower oil and rosemary oil, essential oils that help prevent hair damage and hair fall. Salon quality. Proven to instantly helps smoothen hair and tame frizz and flyaways. Helps reduce hair damage from chemical and salon treatments like coloring, rebonding, and regular heat styling. Lessen hair fall up to 98%. Basta guys, disclaimer lang, hindi ako sponsored. So anyways, let's apply on my hair in the shower. Conditioner. So guys, ilapag sa akin kasi hindi na ang hair slash buhok. Ayan.
Gusto ko lagi ako magsusuklay sa shower yung conditioner. Kasi ano siya, kasi lang agad yung hair ko. Ayan. Tapos ang suklay. Ibabay siya mga 1 minute. And ano rinse it. BRB.
So, ayan. Tapos na nabalaw ko na siya at patayin. So, papatayin ko muna to mga 80% dry gamit blow dryer. So, BRB. Mag-blow dryer na. Release na mag-t-shirt. Hindi itong sa California. Mag-blow dryer na tayo, guys. Guys, tapos na ako mag-blow dry. Yung hair ko is about 80% dry. So, ayoko mag-blow dry naman masyadong mainit na 100% level. Eh, masyadong damage sa hair. Ano? Ganda, no? Wow! Para ko siyang bagong ribbon. See? Wala naman itong hair straightener. Can see. I love it. The result. Kahit blow dry ko laang na malamig. agad siya ng araw. Brown siya. Talagay ko yung description box below. Ginagamit ko Rimmel Premium Cocoa Butter. Okay. Super duper smooth. See it? Shiny. Yun nga po. I highly recommend itong Keratin Plus Intense Brazilian Hair Treatment ko. Rate ko na ito mga 6/10. Bawal ito. Meron siyang rosemary oil at sunflower oil. Daily 1-minute treatment. Ayun nga. Nabili ko to sa Robinson. Bili ni Daddy. Meron ko na naman bili sa Watsons. Tsaka sa supermarket. Tsaka meron Robinson at sa supermarket. So, that's it for today, guys. Salamat sa pagnanood ng mga videos ko, Filipino. So, subscribe sa akin dalawang YouTube channel. Gabi on TikTok. English talaga yun. So, yun nga po. And please, don't forget mag-like, comment, share, at subscribe sa YouTube channel ko and click the notification bell. Paalam!